Tashi Delek red signs. Let's check your May month energy. What are you attracting in the May? So first, starting of the May, let's check your energy for the starting of the May. Okay, starting of the May, you look a little bit confused. You have to decide something or you have to protect something, but you are protecting that very cleverly, and you are attracting very positive thing in the starting of the May. Okay, you are attracting, you are the magician, so you are the manifester, and you are attracting very positive things in your life. Whatever you want, you are going to attract that in the starting of the May. Okay, so it's like first, right now you're not taking the decision or taking the action, or you are trying to protect your emotion or something is there. Okay, you are trying to protect that, but after you will know your potential to attract whatever you want, and you have the resources to take action on that, and you are attracting a very positive thing towards you. Okay, that's very positive energy. Your communications are getting better. And meet of the month. Okay, the meet of the month. Now you're following your passion, or someone is coming to you, okay, with the good news. Someone you wanted in your life is coming to you with the good news, or you are moving towards something you have always wanted, and you will see the very positive outcome from that step you have taken in the mid of the month. Okay, so whatever you wanted, you just need to take that steps. Okay, so that's going to bring very positive result. And end of the month, now your mindsets are very positive. Around the end of the month, you get whatever you wanted in this month in your life. Okay, so that's why you are looking very satisfied, happy, positive around the end of the month. And because of this energy, now you are going to heal. Okay, whatever you were holding in your heart, you have got some pain from the past. Now there's lots of healing energies coming for you around the end of the May month. Okay, so you're going to heal perfectly. Okay, that's it. I hope this reading resonated with you, and share this video with your friends or family members. And thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up. I'll see you very soon.